Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of updates on the application of Candy Crush. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here about Candy Crush Saga and we click. In this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will go to storage, then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.